When you're offered a seat on the board, it's often a career high, a cause for celebration. But in today's world, being a director comes with greater responsibility than in the past, and greater exposure to risk. When accusations of wrongdoing are made against a board or company, the buck stops with the individuals on the board. Whether it's about bribery, insolvency, asset stripping, or a breach of duty, directors are responsible and can be personally liable. You can be pursued for actual or alleged misdeeds or negligence. Either way, you may be looking at a costly and lengthy legal battle just to clear your name, and any damages that are awarded may have to be covered personally. Directors can't always rely on their company to protect them. Companies may not have the money to do so, or they may distance themselves from directors accused of wrongful acts. And of course, it may be the company that's accusing the director in the first place. Directors and officers, or D&O, liability insurance first emerged in the 1930s to protect directors and officers in cases of criminal, regulatory, and civil legal action. Since those early days, it's become a vital part of risk management for boards, directors, and companies around the world. D&O insurance covers the liabilities faced by directors and senior executives and often includes current, former, and future directors, non-executives, and outside directors. It can even extend to their spouses, heirs, and estates. Policies aim to keep pace with the evolving landscape of D&O claims, and that's changing all the time. Regulators are more determined than ever to stamp out corruption and antitrust practices. Tax authorities and political commissions are stepping up scrutiny too, and shareholders are becoming increasingly vocal when they see something they don't approve of. Economic hard times have led to more insolvencies, which brings more exposure. Liquidators can launch claims against directors for mismanagement or fraud, which can expose directors to possible investigation, disqualification proceedings, and civil actions from investors looking to recoup financial losses. Meanwhile, bankruptcy can trigger class action lawsuits against directors, made all the easier by changing legislation across Europe. It's the personal nature of these cases that makes solid D&O insurance so essential. And if you have to make a claim, the expertise and knowledge of your claims handlers can make all the difference to your peace of mind.